Hello friends, welcome back to Taste of Mountain. Today, we have a delicious and exciting recipe for you. Juicy, flavorful chicken momos, perfect for every momo lover. So, let's dive into the steps and bring this delightful dish to life. First, take 500 grams of all-purpose flour in a large bowl. Add a little water gradually, mixing gently with your hands. As the flour absorbs the water, keep adding more little by little. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel Taste of Mountain and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our new recipes. Remember, we want a slightly firm dough for the perfect momo texture. Once the dough is ready, cover it and set it aside to rest. Now, let's prepare the vegetables for the filling. Finely chop 3 to 4 onions. One capsicum, five to 6 green chilies, chop them well so all the flavors combine smoothly in the stuffing. And a 2 to 3 inch carrot. In a large bowl, take 350 grams of minced, boneless chicken. Add the finely chopped onions, capsicum, carrot, and green chilies. Add a handful of fresh coriander leaves for a touch of freshness. Next, add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, a half teaspoon of ajinomoto, optional, 1 tablespoon each of ginger and garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of oil, and salt to taste. Mix everything well. Our filling is now ready, so set it aside for a while. Take small portions of dough and roll them out into thin circles to create the wrappers. Place a spoonful of filling in the center of each wrapper. And carefully fold and seal it to form a momo. If you like our video, Please subscribe to our channel, Taste of Mountain, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our new recipes. Once you've shaped the batch, lightly oil the base of a steaming dish and place the raw momos on it. Now, prepare water for steaming by bringing it to a boil. Add 3 to 4 tomatoes, half an onion, 10 to 12 dried red chilies, and 5 to 6 green chilies to the boiling water. Adjust the chilies based on your taste. Place the dish with the momos over the boiling water. Cover and steam for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, remove the boiled tomatoes, onion, and chilies and let them cool. Put the momos back to steam for another 15 minutes. After steaming, it's essential to let the momos rest a little to prevent them from breaking. Just look at those momos, they're almost perfectly steamed. Keep them covered and warm while we prepare the delicious chutney. Once the boiled tomatoes and onions are cool, peel them and put them in a blender jar. Add the red chilies, green chilies, 7 to 8 cashews, 8 to 10 peanuts, or 1-inch piece of ginger, 8 to 10 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of white sesame seeds. Blend it all into a smooth, spicy chutney. Next, heat a pan and melt a bit of butter in it. Add the blended chutney to the pan and cook on low heat for 5 minutes. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel, Taste of Mountain, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our new recipes. Then cover and cook for another 5 minutes. This will deepen the flavors and make the chutney extra delicious. Our special chutney is ready, and the momos are perfectly steamed and tender. Serve the momos hot with a generous side of chutney and enjoy each bite to the fullest. These hot, tasty chicken momos are ready to be savored.